So in this video, we will learn how to add new Pipedrive deals to MS Excel spreadsheet. Now suppose you are using Pipedrive to maintain all the new deals you do with your business. And you want that whenever a new deal is made or whenever you create a new deal in Pipedrive, you want to add the details of that deal as a record in MS Excel. So you want to add a new row. And you can completely automate this process. Yes guys, it is possible. So the trigger of this automation will be new deal creation in Pipedrive, and the action will be addition of new row as the details of that new deal. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So first of all, we will go to a browser and search for pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So I will click on sign in and sign into my own Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here we have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. After clicking on access now, here we reached Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And in this dashboard, just click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Pipedrive to Microsoft Excel and click on create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is, first we have to get the details or the data of new deal which we are creating in Pipedrive in Pabbly Connect. Then after that, after receiving that new deal data in Pabbly Connect, we will send that data to Microsoft Excel so that we can add those details as a new row over there. So let's begin. So here in trigger window, in choose app, we have to search for Pipedrive first. Pipedrive it is, let's select it. And after that, in trigger event from the drop down, we have to select new deal. Now just click on connect and select add new connection. So here guys, we have to connect our Pipedrive account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token of our Pipedrive account. Now here you must be thinking how we are going to get the API token. Now to get the API token, just go to your Pipedrive account and on the right side, we can see a profiles option over here. Just click on it and after that from the drop down, select personal preferences. Now after selecting personal preferences, you can see an option named as API over here. Just click on it and here is the API token of our Pipedrive account. Just copy this token, go to Pabbly Connect in this connection window, paste it over here and click on save. And that's it. Now we can see that our Pipedrive account is now successfully got connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after making the connection, the thing it asks us is the company domain. That what is the company domain of our Pipedrive account. Now to get the company domain, just go back to your Pipedrive account and here in the URL section, you will find your company domain over here. So after https:// and before .pipedrive, this subdomain is basically your company domain. Just copy it from the URL section, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after that, just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, it is showing us waiting for response, which means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some details or data of new deal from Pipedrive. So what we have to do? We have to basically create a new deal, a new dummy deal in Pipedrive account. So we will go back to a Pipedrive account, go to deals section, and here we are going to create a test deal over here. So let's click on deal. Let's enter the details of a person, for example, dummy name. This is the name of the dummy person. Dummy name it is. After that, let's enter the organization as Pabbly. Then this name of the deal is Pabbly deal. So this is just a dummy deal, a test deal. Value is, for example, 999 Indian rupees. Then the stage of pipeline is demo schedule. Expected close date is 30th of August. After that, let's enter a dummy mobile number of the person, contact person, and let last a dummy email address. And after entering all of these details, just click on save. And as we click on save, we can see that just now we have created a new deal in our Pipedrive account. So this is the deal and the name of the deal is Pabbly deal. And now because we have connected our Pipedrive account with Pabbly Connect, we will see that the details of this new deal will also be captured inside Pabbly Connect workflow. So here in Pabbly Connect workflow, we can see that in trigger window, we have received some response. And when we will scroll on this response, we will find that this is the response of the same deal, which we have created just now few seconds ago. So here we have the name of the person, the name of our client, whose name we have entered while creating the deal. Then we will scroll down and we will find the amount of the deal. So this is the deal amount was 999 Indian rupees. So this is the amount of the deal. After that, we have the name of the deal, that what is the name of the deal. Then we will scroll down and we will find some other details regarding the deal as well. Like the email address and the mobile number of the person. This is the email address of the customer as well as the mobile number of the customer. After that, we will see that we will scroll down and we will find some other details like at what date and time we have basically created this deal. So guys, now you can see that the first step of setting up this automation is now successfully completed. We have successfully connected Pipedrive with Pabbly Connect and received the response, the details of new deals which we are creating in our Pipedrive account in Pabbly Connect. After that, let's move to a second step. And in second step, we want to add these new deal details into a Microsoft Excel worksheet. Now, basically to do so, what we have to do, we just have to scroll down in our Pabbly Connect workflow and come to our action window. And here in choose app, we will search for Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel it is. After selecting Excel in action event, from the drop down, select add row to worksheet. After that, click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Microsoft Excel account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on connect with Microsoft Excel button over here. And here you will see that in a new tab, Pabbly Connect has automatically detected my own Microsoft Excel account. This is because in my browser, I have already logged into my Microsoft Excel account. That's why Pabbly Connect has detected the account and it is asking me for the authorization permission. So we will just click on yes, and after that, we can see that our Microsoft Excel account is now automatically get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing Microsoft Excel asks us is the workbook. So in the drop-down below, we can see a list of all the workbooks which we have created in our Microsoft Excel account can be seen over here. So out of all of these workbooks, in which workbook we want to add these details of our new Pipedrive deals. So I have created a workbook named as Pipedrive deals. This is a specific dedicated workbook to store the new deals data from Pipedrive. So here in the drop down, we will select this same Microsoft workbook, Microsoft Excel workbook. After selecting our workbook, the next thing it asks us is the worksheet. So here in this workbook, as you can see, there is only one sheet named as sheet 1. So here in the drop down, we will select sheet 1. After that, it is asking us column A, column B, column C, and all the columns of data which I have created in my workbook can be seen over here. So I want to add the details like the name of the client with whom we are having the deal. We have created a deal in Pipedrive. The name of the deal, the email address and mobile number of the client, what is the deal value, and what is the expected close date of that deal. So basically, we have received all of these details from Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect after creating a new deal. So using Pabbly Connect, we want to send the data of new deal to Microsoft Excel. So here basically we can see all of these columns over here. So what we have to do, we have to actually map the data one by one in these fields. The data which we have received from Pipedrive in our trigger response, we have to map this data over here in this action window. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and in the drop down below from the responses of Pipedrive new deal, we have to search for the response for the name of the client. So we will just scroll down and we will find the name of the client. So this is the name of the client dummy name. Just select it and you will see that in column A field, the name of the client is mapped. After that, let's move to column B. So here in column B, we wanted to add the name of the deal. So we will just search for the name of the deal from the drop down. So here in drop down, you can see all the details, all the data, a list of all the data which we have received from Pipedrive of creation of new deal. And this is the title of the deal. Just select it and map it. Then after that, let's map the email address of the customer. So we can also search for the responses, like this is the response of email. We search for the email. Then after that, let's search for the mobile number. So the mobile number is, let's search phone number. So this is the phone number of the customer which we have entered. Then the deal value. So we have also received the response of the deal value, and that too with currency sign. So this is the deal value. Just select it and map it. And at last, expected close date. So let's search for the response of close date, expected close date, which we have entered while creating the deal. So basically, we have mapped all of the data which were required, which we wanted to add in Microsoft Excel in these fields. After mapping the data, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we can see that we have received some response over here. And in this response, we can see that all the data which we have mapped over here, basically all the details of the new deal which we have created in our Pipedrive account are now added in our Microsoft Excel sheet. So let's check it. We'll go to Microsoft Excel. We will just refresh this sheet once. And yes guys, you can see that all the details of the new deal which we have created just now few minutes ago in this video, the details of the same deals are now automatically added in our Microsoft Excel sheet. The same client name, same name of the deal, same email address and mobile number, same deal value and expected close date. So all the details of the new deal which we have created in Pipedrive are now stored automatically in Microsoft Excel sheet, which means the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. After setting up this automation, guys, let's test this automation once in real time. For that, we'll go to Pipedrive and here we will create a new deal. For example, this time the name of the person is test name. This is the name. Organization will be Pabbly. Once again, this is now the deal name is Pabbly test deal. Value is, for example, 1111. Pipeline, it's in pipeline. The stage is, for example, contact made. Expected date of is 31st of August. This is the phone number and this is the email address. Now after entering all of these details, just click on save. Now we can see that we have just now created another deal in our Pipedrive account. And because we have created this automation, we will see that instantly the details of this new deal will be added as a new row over here in our Microsoft Excel sheet. So just refresh the sheet once. And yes guys, you can see that automatically, instantly within seconds, as we created the deal, instantly the details of that newly created deal are now added in our Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So we have the same name of the client test name, same deal name, same email address and mobile number of the client, deal value and the expected close date. So in this video, I just wanted to add these little details regarding the deal. But if you want, you can create the columns for more details of your choice. And you can also add those details from using this automation into your Microsoft Excel sheet of your Pipedrive deal. So we tested this automation in real time and this automation is working perfectly fine. Now let's get back to Pabbly Connect and understand in brief that what are the steps we followed while setting up this automation. So first we have connected Pipedrive with Pabbly Connect and after making the connection, we basically created a test deal, a dummy deal in our Pipedrive account so that we can get the details of that new deal creation in Pabbly Connect workflow. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we send that same data to Microsoft Excel so that we can add that new details of a new deal from Pipedrive to Microsoft Excel as a new row. And not just these applications, guys, you can basically connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. And also, Pabbly Connect offers you a forever free plan. And in this plan, you get free Pabbly Connect tasks every month. Which means if you consume your this month's Pabbly Connect free task, then next month again you will get those free tasks once again.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.